Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure the vehicle started. And then once this all boots up, this might take just a moment. Whether you're in your home screen or a different screen, we'll go to the settings, which will be an icon right here. So it's under settings already, but if you're on some other screen, but settings is these little gears. That's just trying to auto connect to my phone. We'll go to general, and then here's your language. It's on English now. Let's say we want Spanish, but you can do Spanish or French. Now it's just updating everything to Spanish. So this takes just a moment, and then it'll auto save, so you'll be all set. And I speak English, so I'll show now how to switch it back to English once it's finished this process. Well, it's already on this screen, but say you're not on this screen.
Idioma configurado en español.
Say you're on something else. We'll just do these gears, this general, and then right here on idioma, we'll go back to English. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.